um guys, this video just need to be all over the place, so just pardon me. And yes, I'm super excited to be back to you guys. I've missed you guys. Like, I really missed you guys. I'm not going to lie. I have guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and we are back with another video. Oh my god. I'm super rusty, guys, and it feels so great and it's so good to be back to filming videos for you guys. And it's been a minute. It's been a long time. I think my last video was about 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, but I think I am in a much better space to film content and also engage in all of my videos, and also engage in other content creators channel. And I'm just taking our time to just appreciate every one of you guys. Like, the love was amazing. I really couldn't believe it. And thank you so much for people who reached out to me, people who prayed for me, people who sent their love. I don't take it for granted. Trust me, guys, on this one. I don't take your love for granted. I'm really grateful and I'm happy, and I pray that God, comes through for you whenever you call upon Him. That's my prayer for you, and I think that prayer actually covers all. Anyways, guys, so the reason why I've been away, I'm not sure I'm in a very good space to actually talk about that. But I know in the nearest future, I would want to, talk to you guys about the reason why I was away, and hopefully it inspires somebody. And yeah, that's it. But at the moment, I am not in a space to share that part of my life story. If you're just seeing me for the first time, you just come across my channel for the first time, and if you're an OG and you've actually forgotten what this baby girl here does on her channel, I create content around beauty, hair, sewing, documenting my life as a new immigrant in Canada, and also I do vlogs as well. My videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays are usually beauty videos or hair tutorials or product reviews, or documenting my life as a new immigrant in Canada, or also Canada immigration related videos. While my videos on Sundays are usually chill, sit down, relax Sunday vlogs, just cook and chat with me videos. So if you like to see a little bit of this and that, do subscribe to my channel. And if you forgot what my channel is all about, now you know. So I'm back again to creating content, guys. I'm back to filming YouTube videos. I'm back to my regular schedule. Guys, this video just needs to be all over the place, so just pardon me. And yes, I'm super excited to be back to you guys. I've missed you guys. Like, I really missed you guys. I'm not going to lie. I missed filming content. I missed reading your comments. I missed replying to your comments, and I don't know, I just missed engaging in other content creators channel. But I'm back, hopefully not to leave anytime soon or anymore. So guys, I'm also going to be using this opportunity to do a very quick unboxing for you guys. So I placed an order for some items on Amazon sometime last week and also this week, but the items for last week, I had to return one of them because it was like what I saw versus what I ordered versus what I got. So I placed an order for a box, a makeup box, and well, not really a makeup box, like a makeup bag or a makeup case, and a dress, which that dress I'm going to be unboxing. I'm going to be showing you guys in another video. So when I returned it, I had to check for more products, and I had to order like a bigger size. And before then, I think my husband actually had to advise me that I should just, like, babe, you have a tape, go and measure, look for the sizing in the description and use your tape to measure it out so that you can have an idea of what you're buying, so you don't make mistakes next time. So just like what I was saying, I placed an order for it, and the package, Amazon and big packaging. So I'm just going to be unboxing it for you guys. I almost wanted to unbox it from, as soon as I received it, but I said, let me just use this opportunity to film back video and also to film this, because the first one that came, I didn't even bother filming. Like, I was really not in that space or that frame of mind to film anything. Guys, even heavy. So this is what the box looks like. Trust me guys, it looks a little bit heavy. So it comes in a ziploc, bigger than that one. Ah gosh guys, if you see that box, our box is so small, like I don't even know what I'm going to be using that box to do. So this is it. I'm going to leave a link to, you know, a direct link to where you can purchase this box, and I'm also going to ensure that I leave other Amazon links if you're living in the UK or you're living in America where you can purchase. I'm going to try. So this is one layer of the box. This is really nice. Well, I think we could work with this. And it has like dividers. Oh, these dividers are so hard. And it also came with like a carrier, which I was really looking forward to, because the other one I ordered for did not have a carrier, because I'm like, am I supposed to be carrying this box like a briefcase? I usually want something I could, you know, easily hang. Oh, and the cases are a bit sturdy. Wow, it's not like it's covered in foam, but it feels like there's a tiny bit of wood in between it. Pink is not my preference, but this was the only box available, the size I wanted, and it was in pink. I don't like pink as a color. Yeah, I'm a girl, I know. So yeah, okay, so on this part of the box it also has like brush compartments, and this is really big, because the other one just had options for like, it has like spaces for 4 or 5 brushes. I wish I had unboxed that, but immediately I saw the bag, I was so displeased. I just packed it back. The next day I went to Canada Post to ship it back to Amazon, because I didn't really expect it was going to be that small. I didn't really want a lot of, you know, like a big makeup box like the one I would usually use back home in Nigeria. So this is the first thing, and trust me, I am impressed. It's not as big as I would have loved it to be, but this size is just perfect for what I want. So I'm just going to, and I think these dividers can be adjusted. Yeah, I think the dividers in here can be adjusted. I'm just going to carefully, you know, readjust them so that I could fit my powder palette on this side, because my powder palette is actually my main thing, and some of my eyeshadow palettes, because I think foundations and other things can, you know, go into here, and my liners and pencils can go into this place. So this is totally cool. You also have, I don't know what I want to put here, maybe pencils or brushes, but I think that brush compartment is okay. Then the other thing I had to order for was hair dryer. I really did not want to order for this hair dryer, or I should have ordered for a hair dryer since, but my hair is short, so there was no point. And at that time I thought I was going to, you know, go back to being natural, and there was no point, you know, having to use heat on my hair. But I had to order for one, and it's the Conair hair dryer. If you guys can remember my first ever Amazon haul, I also use this Conair hair coiler slash straightener that I bought then, and I don't think I ever did a review on that. I'm so sorry guys, but that hair coiler and hair straightener is the truth. So I already put it out of the bag, and so I'm going to be trying this in front of you guys to know if it's working. And I think this is like a diffuser, I'm not sure. Am I supposed to screw it in? I don't know how it's supposed to work, but anyways, let me just try to see if it works out. It has like I think the middle one has to be off, on. Let's just try this and see if it works. Oh, this is cool. So this sign here, that feels like a snow sign. So this is like a cool air, this is like hotter, this is the switch off button, or turn off button, and this is like not so hot heat. I'm really excited about this my order because I've just been lucky with ordering stuff from Amazon, and apart from that one, I was so unlucky. Like, I was so displeased. I didn't even think twice. I just went to Canada Post the next day to, return the item. So guys, thank you so much for checking up on me. Thank you so much for still, watching my videos even when I have been away, even if I know that my views have drastically dropped. Yes, that's what you get when you take a break from YouTube and you're not, a Nikki Tutorials, or you're not a Dimaomi. So, but I'm hoping that you guys, still maintain the same love you have for me and still come back to watch my videos whenever I upload them, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do have a fabulous day ahead. Bye guys.